Hi, this is Busy Proud Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign out from Steam account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Are you looking for a way to sign up for your Steam account? Whether you are using a shared computer, switching to another Steam account, or simply want to keep your account secure, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to sign out from your Steam account step by step. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Steam. So from here, you can just go to settings, or before that, you can check your profile. You can view your profile if you want to. Now, if you want to log out, you can just select in here on your provider. You can hover your cursor to here. And until find, there is an option sign out of account. You can just sign out from your account, or if you want to change account, you can just select on change account. But if you don't want, you want to sign out, you can just select on sign out. And now you can just select on confirm. So now you have logged out from your Steam account, and if you want to log in with your another account, you can just log in. If you don't know how to do it, you can check on my previous video about how to log in into your Steam account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to sign out from your Steam account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!